Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare copper versus plastic pipe. Start by assessing your water quality, pressure, and local code requirements before choosing materials. Test for hardness and corrosivity, measure pipe runs and note access points, and determine whether you need solder joints or push-fit connectors. Consider lifespan expectations and resale value. Then balance upfront cost against maintenance needs while consulting a professional for complex or pressurized systems. Compare thermal behavior and durability when choosing between copper and plastic. Copper tolerates heat and pressure well, but can corrode in aggressive water. Plastic resists many chemical attacks and absorbs shock better, but may expand more with temperature changes. Think about freeze protection, noise transmission, and long-term fittings performance. Evaluate oxygen diffusion and potential leaching. Match the material to your climate, water profile, and the expected lifespan of the installation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so we can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup and staging parts or fittings simple and mess-free, perfect for crafts, job site lunches, or organizing screws and fittings. They seal tightly and stack neatly for compact storage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Balance upfront cost and installation complexity when selecting pipe. Plastic usually reduces labor time and tool needs, while copper demands soldering or flaring skills and higher material cost. Factor in long-term maintenance, potential for repairs, and resale value differences. Consider compatibility with existing systems and whether specialized fittings are needed. Get multiple quotes from experienced installers and weigh warranty terms alongside material longevity for a smart investment.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.